All right, so this is our setup for hypertrophy lower body number 2. We have boxes out mainly for the goblet squat. So for those heavy dumbbells, we place boxes here. They can share. Every station doesn't necessarily need their own box. So that's right out in front. Next we have our benches here for the lying hamstring curl. I made sure that all of the benches had 2 resistance bands on them. This row, black or black and red for heavier lifting. The rows in the back, I did like yellow on the very back row and red, and then pretty much red on that middle row. We have our platforms here for the deficit reverse lunge. One for each station, and they're in between the benches. So we have one on the far end, and then every other platform goes in between the benches. So I brought out the trees for the abduction. So 2 here in the center, and then 3 in the back, and they're all lined up in front of the benches. And then once again, they can kind of share a tree if they needed to in rotation. And then we have poles in the back for those that might need modifications for the hamstring curl. So I just laid out a couple along that back wall for the what did I say? Hamstring curl? Lord. And that's the setup.